on it.
Yeah.
Do you want this cupcake?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that good? Oh my goodness. Is it so good? Oh, yummy. Oh, you want a napkin? Here you go. It's my OCD clean child. Oh, you want to hold it? Oh. Oops. You got the paper. There you go. Oh. Is it so good?
I like to watch it.
Yeah, there you go. I don't think I've ever seen you eat something so fast. Really? That fast? Wait, why don't you swallow what's in your mouth? Yum. Say happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Happy my pumpkin.
Happy my pumpkin?
My pumpkin.
Oh, yeah.
That pumpkin.
How's that frosting? Is it good frosting? Oh my gosh, she's gonna be so sick later after this and candy. Can I have a bite? Oh, I need to. Thank you. We don't want to be a mess now, do we?
Say bye, happy Halloween.
Say bye.